A couple weeks ago, I made a video exposing exactly how much 1 million views pays me on YouTube. And what do you know? That video ended up getting over 1 million views. So today, I'm going to show you guys exactly how much that video made. And at the end, I'm going to give away a camera. So stay tuned for that. Okay, let's cut to the chase where you guys actually want to know how much did that video end up making. And you guys had some good guesses. I saw some comments. I saw a lot of people commenting like $2,000, like I said in the video, but it was not $2,000. So right now it is at 1.6 million views. So my guess is it would be $7,000 since it's over 10 minutes long. Analytics. Okay. I was actually pretty close. It is at $6,629. That's pretty good. Like, that's actually very good for a video if we compare to my older videos. When we compare this to an old video I did that pretty much has the same amount of views, 1.6 million, but we see that this video made about half. It made $3,233. So if you watched the first video I made about this, you definitely know why this is. It's because the Thoughts Girls Have video is only 4 minutes long. So it only had like the one ad in the beginning. That's it. So really it makes sense that it made half of the amount that the other video did, even though they have the same amount of views. So like I said in the last video, there are different factors that play into how much you make. And one of them that I didn't really highlight a whole lot is the topic of your video. I mostly just talked about the length of your video, but really the topic of what you're making videos about plays an even bigger role in how much you make. I have made videos about all kinds of different topics, so I know this for a fact, that videos make different amounts of money based on the topic because they just have different advertisers. I mean, I've done real estate videos, I've done beauty videos, hauls, photography videos, just all kinds of stuff really. But I can tell you from my experience, most of them aren't like a crazy difference. It's between $1 and $5, and then I've only seen the $10 CPM on that Scentbird video. There is one very specific niche that gets like 40 times more than everyone else. So I met up with one of my YouTube friends that has one of these incredibly high CPMs. We compared our analytics and just took a look into why this is. Okay, you guys, this is Kevin David. He does videos all about how to make money online, e-commerce, and specifically selling products on Amazon. He's actually a very successful Amazon seller just on his own with that. His videos are really good. Just side note, you guys should check him out if you're interested in that kind of thing. I know you guys are gonna be shocked at his analytics just like I was, so let's take a look.
It's like CPM for people that don't know, it's like how much you make per 1,000 views, right?
Yeah.
So like PewDiePie probably makes like 1 or 2 or maybe 3. But
like $1 or $2 or $3 per 1,000 views.
Yeah, so if you get 1 million views, PewDiePie might earn $2,000. Right, and I create content on, how to make money. I create content on e-commerce and things that advertisers are willing to pay more. So this is just one of the videos that, we did a while ago. This is the last 28 days with 27,000 views only. We made 1,700, almost 1,800. But if we look at
that is so crazy. To me, I'm like, what?
If we look at the lifetime though of this video, you can see it has just over 1 million views and it's made $43,950.
You could buy a Tesla with that for one video. That's so crazy. Like I think my highest earning one is the Scentbird one. That video has not 1 million views, but I think it will get there, and it has like a $10 CPM. So that CPM is like $43.
Yeah, a little over.
And it got 1 million views.
That's pretty crazy.
What's really cool is this video is actually just a screen recording, so it didn't require a crazy amount of production to make it.
And that video took me literally like an hour to make. I didn't cut it. There's no edits in the whole thing. It's 53 minutes long. I just like sat down and
okay. So how many ads are in that video?
A lot, probably like 3 or 4.
That makes sense then that it would have like such a high CPM.
This is my longest video. It's an hour and 13 minutes. You can see this one's made $49,674.
Whoa.
Yeah, so this is I guess a Tesla too.
Yes, cool. That's close to a Model X right there. The other one's a Model 3.
But the cool thing is, right, this is just one video.
Yeah.
Even one video can change people's lives. That's what I always tell like my students and people, like it's so worth it to do YouTube.
Oh, definitely. You could spend like years making videos and be kind of frustrated. And then it is cool to know that just one blowing up will change everything. Like it only takes one.
Everything, yeah.
Which is wild. Ignore that this is not my normal video background. I'm actually in Switzerland right now, but I'm just finishing up this video. But I thought it would be really interesting to compare the earnings of the last 28 days from my channel to Kevin's channel, because I actually got a little bit more views, but we know that Kevin's gonna like blow my earnings out of the water because of the CPM. Let's take a look. When we take a look at my past 28 days, my channel got 3.7 million views and earned just about $15,000.
Yeah, so last 28 days we've gotten almost 2.9 million views, and we've made just over 33,000.
Okay, that's like less views than I got. That's what I was trying to say in the other video, that I was like, what?
Yeah.
So it's like really about like the viewers, the topic, the like advertisers on the video.
Right, exactly. And a lot of people, there's like this
Fascinating.
myth that people think when you become a YouTuber, like ads are annoying, so you shouldn't put ads in your video. But like YouTube is a business.
Yeah.
YouTube has shareholders, like Google shareholders, like YouTube needs to make money, and so they're more likely to promote your videos.
That is so true.
If you put ads in them, because they make money when you put ads in them. So
Yeah.
it's like, it's beneficial for YouTube. So YouTube promotes you to more people and your channel blows up and you make more at the same time. So it's like a win-win-win.
Yeah, no, I had like a theory of that, because when I started making the longer videos, all those videos were getting more views. But I was like, maybe they just are. But
Right.
now I really think that it's because YouTube is like, they have an incentive to push those videos.
Oh,
Does
there's
that make
absolutely no
sense?
question. They do.
Yeah. I found this to be so true when we looked at my past videos. All of the recent ones that are over 10 minutes have really gotten pushed and recommended to a lot of people. But my older videos, the ones that are under 10 minutes, they have way less views and just were never pushed out that way. Welcome back to my hotel room. We are now gonna answer some questions because you guys still had a ton of questions. People really have some interesting misconceptions. And also, I'm editing the video and it's not at 10 minutes yet. Say hi to Monica in the background. So Monica actually had a video that just blew up also. It's about her boyfriend cheating on her.
Not a great CPM, in case you're wondering.
Not a great CPM on that. Wait, can we show the CPM on it?
It has 1.2 million views and made like $2,200.
Oh,
Probably about what I spent on hotels.
I'm shocked by that. So her video, it's 30 minutes long. She put like 3 ads in it and it has 1.2 million views and it only made $2,200. She put the second ad way too far into the video and people mostly dropped off around 7 minutes and the ad was at like 8 or 9 minutes. So the CPM just ended up being as if it was less than 10 minutes long. She also wanted to add disclaimer that's fine because she wasn't in it for the money. You know, her boyfriend did break up with her so that she could make money. Catherine asked, if you make an hour-long video, can you still place as many ads as you want? The answer is yes. You can place as many ads as you want as long as it's over 10 minutes long. So I could add like 5 breaks right next to each other. I mean, no one's gonna watch that though, but you could do that. Mike asked, so how much do you make when people use ad blocker? Yeah, you don't make any money when people use ad blocker, so don't use ad blocker, guys. Just kidding. But I figured the amount of people that actually use ad blocker is so low that it doesn't really matter. How much did you make off of this video? I mean, I did share that in the beginning, but it's been a couple days. Now the video's at almost 9 million views, and it's made $7,697. Pretty dang good. Like, what this person said, and YouTube probably copyrighted and demonetized her video exposing how to make money or like how much money I made. A lot of people actually commented this. And I mean, so far, it hasn't been demonetized. Actually, a lot of people have uploaded videos like this. Like if you search it, it's like, this isn't the only one. There's actually a ton of videos like this. And from what I know, I've done a bit of research into it, but there's nothing actually in the terms of service that says that you can't share how much you make. I think it's just a myth that people made up a long time ago because they were like uncomfortable sharing how much you made. People have even said that their YouTube channel partners said that it's fine to share it, but basic answer is, so far, I haven't been demonetized, but YouTube, if you are for some reason gonna demonetize me for this, like just email me, like we can work it out, it's fine. But I really don't think that's gonna happen. Someone said, if I skip the ad, just Google pay the YouTuber, or do you need to watch the full ad? The answer to this is I'm pretty sure you still earn a little bit, but if they skip the ad, you don't earn as much as you would have earned. How much do thumbs up and views help, and subscriptions? A lot of people assumed that likes, comments, and subscriptions earned you money. None of those things earn you money at all. It is only views. It's only really when people like watch ads or click on ads, likes and comments and all of that. It doesn't really matter other than it helps you in the YouTube algorithm, but that's about it. Last question, so are those earnings every month or just a one-time payment? Basically, you end up earning more as the video gets more views. So if in the first month you get 100,000 views, you get those earnings for the 100,000 views. Then if in the next month you get 100,000 more views, you get paid out for the additional views. But it's not like because you got 1 million views once, you're gonna be getting $2,000 a month. It's only if you end up getting more views, if that makes sense. Okay, that is it for this video. Hope that you guys enjoyed. I'm actually gonna give away a camera just because I can't believe how many views that video got, and I just want to give back to you guys and hopefully have someone start their own channel. So comment down below what you would make videos about if you were a YouTuber. I haven't picked the camera yet, but it's probably gonna be like the one that I'm shooting this video on or a similar one. It's gonna depend on what type of videos you make because I wanna make sure it's like the best camera for that. And I wanna encourage you guys to make videos about things that you know a lot about, that you can provide some kind of valuable information or entertainment, or that you're just really passionate about. Don't go making videos about selling stuff on Amazon if you don't know anything about that. So comment down below what it is you would be super excited to start a YouTube channel about, and I will pick a winner and give away a camera because I just, you know, I can't believe that video has earned $7,000. So yeah, I just want to help someone else start a channel. Looks like we just got to 10 minutes, so that's it. Bye. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, you know I stretched this to 10 minutes. Okay, anyway, that's it for this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.